Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening, class. I hope I've given you all homework yesterday. And did you all
Yes.
send it to me? Sritej, where's your homework?
Hello, ma'am. What?
Your homework.
Ma'am, I forgot to send it to you. Can I send it now?
Yeah, sure, send it to me immediately. Advika, from next class onwards, send your homework in the group chat, okay?
Okay.
Tarakeshwaran, I want you to send today's homework along with yesterday's missed homework, okay?
I sent you yesterday's homework, ma'am.
Oh, you send me on WhatsApp?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me just check. Okay, class. Maybe today or tomorrow I'll just create a small group for us alone where you can drop down all the doubts and also drop all your homeworks there. Okay, so it'll be easy for me to check. So when you're sending your homework, I expect you to write your name and send your homework. All right. So, Sritej, can you tell me what we saw in yesterday's class? Sritej?
1 minute. Yes, ma'am.
What did we see in yesterday's class?
Ma'am, firstly, we discussed about why is prevention better than cure. And then later we uh, discussed about kwashiorkor and marasmus the diseases. And we also discussed about the digestive system, how it starts and ends.
Okay, good. Okay, fine. So we also got done with the chapter basically. We completed the lesson yesterday, the revision of the lesson yesterday. So today we'll be seeing the continuation of motion. Okay. So I'll give you a small revision on whatever we learned so far because it's been pretty much a long time since we saw this chapter. So we'll finish off this chapter and then we'll see what we can do. I'll just share my screen in a minute. I hope it's visible. Okay, so to start off, motion is nothing but basically you're changing a position of an object in respect to time. Then you say that object is in motion. So you're seeing a pencil in location A, and after 5 minutes, you're seeing the pencil in location B. It means the pencil has been in motion. So definition of motion is when an object changes in position with respect to time. But if the same object does not change its position in respect to time, then the object is said to be in rest. Okay, 1 minute. All right. Are there anybody who haven't taken these notes down? Anybody who hasn't noted this down? All of you. Tell me.
Ma'am, we are near rectangular motion.
Yeah, okay, I know that. But I think Tarakeshwaran, did you note it down?
No, ma'am, I didn't note anything from this lesson before parallax error.
Okay, note it down quickly then.
But I didn't give any gaps, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Later on, note it down. Look at the lecture and note it down, okay? Okay, is that fine? Tarakeshwaran, can you respond yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So apart from these, we also saw what is length and what is distance. So length is the measurement of how far or how long something is. Okay, so you're getting a cloth, you're going to say this is this much meter length I need. You're going to travel to a place, this is the distance, these many kilometers I have to travel. That's how you see it. Okay, so there are different traditional ways of measuring lengths. Okay, in earlier days length was measured using a foot. Okay, so 1 foot. So how many foot is this house? That's how you ask. So you measure the number of foot that covers the house and you say this many square foot, like that. Okay, so standard units. So scientists, they came up with one standard unit for measurement. So this standard unit is meter. Okay, In international system of units, that is called SI units. So SI unit of speed is kilometer per hour. SI unit of length is meter. Then SI unit for everything. Okay. So apart from that, we all saw how did this measurement come up with, what are the errors, and how do you measure curved lines using a thread. Then we saw the types of motions. I hope all these were clear, and I also gave a homework on calculating the speed. Now, time. Let's talk about time. So what is time? How would you define time? Adrit, can you define? Adrit,
Yes, ma'am.
what is time? Okay, Tarakeshwaran. Tarakeshwaran,
Yes, ma'am.
what is time, Tarakeshwaran?
Ma'am, what can I say about ma'am?
Yeah,
Unit that measures how long it takes to do anything.
okay, very good. Unit that measures how long it takes to do anything. All right. Advika, what is your definition?
Ma'am, time. I can give it like what is the time of today means now.
I'm asking you, what is the meaning of time? How will you define time?
Ma'am, what is that?
Do you know or you don't know?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Um, Aishwarya,
Yes, ma'am.
all of you all turn your cameras on. Aishwarya, Adrit, Advika, cameras on. Yeah, Aishwarya, what is time?
Ma'am, so time is is a unit that tells us how does how does how much long it takes, how much long it takes for something, for anything, with respect to distance.
With respect to distance.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
nice, okay. Hi, Adya. Please turn your camera on. Is your mic problem solved? Advika, where's your camera? Deepika, camera. Hi, Adya. Can you please turn your camera on? Advika, do you want me to keep repeating?
Ma'am, my mother gave me just 2 minutes.
Okay. Adya,
Yes, ma'am.
can you please turn your camera on?
Ma'am, there is no.
Sorry.
Running on battery, ma'am.
Okay, Adya. Okay. So time is the unit, as Tarakeshwaran told, it is the unit that measures how long it takes to do any work. And as Aishwarya told, obviously it is related to distance. So distance is measured with respect to time. Okay, these are the basic definitions that you're supposed to know about time. So obviously time is related to how long you're doing anything. We're stating this because every human being is running for what? For money. Now you're studying for what? So that you can earn in the future and earn money. Mother is your parents are both dumping all the money for the tuitions and the schools. Why? So that you can earn money. So all the motive is money. You need to keep running to do something. All right. Even when you're sitting still, you're still breathing. You're doing some activity. Okay. So that is how long you're doing anything, that is only time. And distance is measured with respect to time. So if an object is moving with some speed s, for example, okay, it is moving with the speed s and the time interval. It's moving, for example, Sam reaches his house in 15 minutes in a speed of 2 kilometer per hour. You know, speed's unit is kilometer per hour. Okay, so this is s, this is t. Okay, so then the distance covered, distance is equals to anybody formula. What will the formula be?
Speed into time.
Very good. Who said this?
Adya ma'am.
Okay, very good, Adya. Keep it up. So speed into time, that is s into t. So what will the speed taken, sorry, what is the distance covered by Sam? How will you calculate that?
Ma'am, by multiplying the speed into the time.
What is the number?
Ma'am, the speed is 15 minutes. And
speed is 15 minutes?
Oh, no. The time is 15 minutes. And the
speed is? What is the speed? Someone help him out. What is the speed? Class.
Ma'am, how fast?
What is the value? Time is 15 minutes. Speed is?
In hours, ma'am. Kilometer per hour.
2 kilometer per hour. So 2 into 15 is?
Ma'am? 30. 30.
30. Now, how will you write the unit of speed?
Ma'am, but the time is right, ma'am.
Sorry?
But the time is in minutes.
Okay. So what are you supposed to do? What are you supposed to do if it's in minutes? Convert it to hours. So 15 minutes is how many hours? How will you calculate it? Come on, guys. Be attentive. We know that 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 15 minutes is 15 divided by 60 hours. 5 threes are 15, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, is equal to 0.25. So how will you write, what will you write over here? Is equals to 2 into 0.25. What is 2 into 0.25? 0.25 plus 0.25?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
0.50.
0.50.
50.
Now, what will the unit be? I did one more mistake. Can anyone spot that out? I didn't tell you all the SI unit of speed. So SI unit of speed is kilometer per hour. Of time is seconds. For distance, it is
Meter.
but I will not write meter here. Why? Why is it? Can anyone tell me why I will not write meter here? Instead, I will write kilometer. Why? Because the speed is given in kilometer. It's given in meter, you write meter here. Do you guys get it? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Please note the sum down. I will give another sum. I'll make you all solve it over here on board. Note it down quickly. Did you all understand the steps? If you have any doubts, please tell me.
Ma'am, can you write down the SI units of the three distance, time?
Yeah, sure. Also, the same question. If I'm asking you, what is the distance measured? Find in meter per hour. If I'm asking you like that, then you need to convert to kilometer to meter, which would be 2000 meters. Converted. Okay, you should do that. Tell me when you're done, guys.
Done, ma'am.
1 minute, guys. Tell me when you're done. Tell me all your names and tell me when you're done, okay?
Ma'am, this is Advika. I am done. Ma'am, I'm done. I'm Tarakeshwaran and I'm done. Ma'am, this is Adrit. I'm done. Ma'am, this is Vijay. I'm done. Ma'am, can you please repeat this convention?
The conversion in the sense you're asking how I converted what to what? Minutes to hours? Or what are you asking? Minutes to hours?
Minutes to hours.
Okay. So we know that 1 minute is 60 seconds. And 1 hour is 60 minutes. Okay. Always, if 1 hour is 60 minutes, if it's 2 hours, then you're doing 60 into 2, right? But now try bringing this 60 minutes this side. 60 minutes is 1 hour. Then 120 minutes is how many hours? How would you know that 120 minutes is how many hours? What you will do, you'll bring 120 divided by 60. That is equals to the number of hours. So this is, if you're asking about the division, usually you're supposed to do division like this, 60. You go on, 6 2s are, 2 is the answer. Okay, this is the normal division. Sorry? Okay, this is the normal division that you students do. Okay, there's another method which is more easier. If you want, you can apply it. 120 divided by 60. Okay, always how many zeros on top? 1. How many zeros on down? 1. So both are equal number of zeros. If there are 1200 divided by 60, then I will cut 1 0 up and 1 0 down only. I cannot cut both the zeros. Okay. So how many zeros you're cutting up, that many zeros you can cut down. Okay. Now I'm dividing. This 12 goes in which number? It goes in 2. 6 also goes in 2. So you take a number that is divisible for both the numbers. So 12 is divisible by 2. So 2 odds are 12. 2, you cut it. 2 6 are 12. 2 odds are 6. 2 3 are 6. Now again, you have 6 and 3. Take a number that is divisible for both. Again, you have 3. 3 is divisible here. 6 is divisible by 3. 3 is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. There you have 2 by 1. 2 is your answer.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll explain more. I know it's not easy, quick to grasp. I'll explain more sums. You'll get a better clarity. Who else is writing? All of you are done?
Yes, ma'am.
You all can note this also. You can note this also if you want. Okay, now I'm writing another sum. Now,
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, it is 2 hours equals to 120 minutes.
yeah, it's 120 minutes.
Ma'am, it's showing 60 minutes.
Okay, okay. I wrote into 2 over here. Can you see? Yeah, Adrit, I've written into 2. Okay. Into 2. 16 to 2. Okay. So Ram travels 120 kilometers to reach his hometown in 4 hours. What is the speed? Okay. So since I didn't ask any unit, you can find it in kilometer per hour itself. Okay. Okay. Sritej, come up with the first step. Hope all are available. Sritej, first step.
1 minute. Ma'am, speed is equals to distance divided by time.
Okay, very good. Okay, enough Sritej. Speed is equals to distance by time. Good. Okay. Adrit, next step.
We should multiply 4 hours, ma'am, 120 kilometers into 4 hours.
Why should you multiply? Why should you multiply? Advika, is Adrit's answer correct?
Oh, ma'am, speed equals to distance by time.
Okay, so what is the mistake that he did?
Ma'am, we multiply.
So what you should do?
Ma'am, we should divide.
Okay, what number and what number?
Ma'am, distance is 120 and we should divide 120 divided by 4.
Very good. Okay. Deepika, what is 120 divided by 4?
1 second. I'll just divide it.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, is it 3?
Yeah. So here, how you can do the quick division method is, you know that 120 is definitely, yeah, it's a big number, but just keep the zero aside. Okay. Now 12 is divisible by 2. 4 is also divisible by 2. So 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4. Now you have one zero over here. So you're going to add the zero over here. So it's 60 by 2. Now again, keep the zero separate. You have 6 and 2. 6 and 2 goes again by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. You have the zero. Bringing the zero. The answer is 30. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What else is there in class? Aishwarya, tell me what unit will I write over here?
Ma'am, 30.
What unit? Unit.
30 kilometer.
30 kilometer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tarakeshwaran, tell me if Aishwarya's answer is correct.
I think it's correct.
Tarakeshwaran,
Ma'am, I think it's correct.
it's correct. Okay. Sritej, sorry, Adya, is it correct? Adya,
Yes, ma'am.
is the unit correct?
No.
What is the correct unit?
3 kilometers per
Per
hour.
hour. Very
Sorry,
good.
30 kilometers per hour.
Yeah, okay. 30 kilometer per hour. Got it. Why is this common mistake? Aishwarya and Tarakeshwaran, are you not concentrating? You know that SI unit of speed is distance by time. Distance is given in kilometer. Time is given in hours. So it should be kilometer per hour. I don't know why it's a silly mistake you all are making. Anyways, okay. What if a man travels from A to B with a speed of 52 kilometer per hour, covering a distance of 100 kilometers. How much time did the man take to reach B? Advika, start.
Ma'am, first the formula of speed will do.
I'm asking you to calculate the time.
Ma'am, 1 second.
I can write the formulas, I won't write all the formulas, but try to find the formula for time from this. Speed is equals to distance by time. What is the formula for time now? Figure it out. I'll be back in 1 minute. Also, after you figure it out, I want you to tell me how you got it. Yeah, Advika, did you find it?
Ma'am, I multiplied 52 and 100. I got it as 5,200.
I'm asking you the formula, that's it. What is the formula for finding time?
Ma'am, time.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we have to multiply.
What and what?
Ma'am, distance and time.
Time you don't know, no. How will you multiply distance and time? Sritej?
Speed. Ma'am, 1 minute. Something fell.
Yeah.
Ma'am, distance by speed.
Who's saying this?
Ma'am, Advika.
Okay, distance by speed. How did you get this?
Ma'am, I divided it.
You divided what and what?
Ma'am, I divided 52 by 100.
Why did you divide 52 and 100? How did you know time? This is the formula.
Ma'am, because we have to find the time.
Advika, you're not understanding my question. How do you know this is the formula? I didn't teach you that this is the formula. Who taught you this is the formula?
Ma'am, because the speed and the distance is left, so I divided.
Okay, otherwise you would have multiplied.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Class, always remember if A is equals to B by C, they're giving you this formula, for example. Okay, you can easily find the formula for B and C with this. If A is equals to B by C, now you want to know what is B equal to. Okay, look carefully. So in order to find what B is equals to, I'm going to bring this to the left side. Okay, so B by C is equals to A. Both are same. 1 and 2 is the same.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I want to write the formula for B. Okay. So what I will do, I will keep the B here itself. I'm going to take the C here. Okay. So here C is under division or multiplication?
Division.
Division. So in the from left to right, it's moving from one place to another, means it will go become multiplication. Division becomes multiplication, multiplication becomes division, addition becomes subtraction, subtraction becomes addition. It's always like that. Okay, multiplication becomes division, division becomes multiplication, addition becomes subtraction, subtraction becomes addition. This is the universal mathematic law. Okay, now look at this carefully. B by C is equals to A. You're going to bring this C over here. So will it become division or multiplication here? After C comes A divided by C or A multiplied by C?
Ma'am, multiply.
Multiplied. Very good. Because here it's already division. So how will you write it as? B by C is equals to A. You're bringing B. You're bringing the C at the sides. A into C. This is the formula for B. Now, Advika, try to tell me the formula for C.
Ma'am, we will multiply uh, A into B.
No, it's wrong.
Ma'am, B by A.
B by A. Very good. Okay. But how are you getting that? Again, same thing that I used over here. You're bringing the A into C over here. A into C equals to B. Okay. C will remain here. A will go here. You know here it's multiplication. So here it becomes division. So C is equals to B by A. Same principle I've used over here. You know that speed is equals to distance by time. Okay. Or distance equals to speed into time. Okay. So you're going to keep this like that is equals to distance. Time equals to speed comes this side. It becomes division because here it's multiplication. So it will become distance by speed. That's it. This is how you find the formula. Am I clear, guys? Is it clear?
Ma'am, can you explain it once again?
Yeah, sure. I'll explain it in a separate page. Okay, this is how to find the formulas. Okay, first, uh, A is equals to B by C. B by C is equals to A. You want to find what is the value of B. So you keep the B as it is. You'll take the C this side. The law is division moves from one place to another. It becomes multiplication. Multiplication moves from one place to another. It becomes division. Addition moves from one place to another. It becomes subtraction. Subtraction moves from one place to another. It becomes addition. This is the universal mathematical law. B by C is equals to A. So here you know that it is division. So C moves from one place to another, it will become multiplication. So B by C is equals to A. B is equals to A into C. Now you want to find the formula for C. You know that A into C is equals to B. You want to find the value of C. You're going to keep the C as it is. You know it is multiplication here. You're going to bring A over here. So multiplication becomes division. So B by A. So C is equals to B by A. Okay. So I'm going to apply this for this thing. You know that speed is equals to distance by time. Okay. Now, in case there is no value over here, there is no addition, no subtraction, no multiplication, no division, but you want to find the value of time. So you bring the time here and speed here. So time becomes distance by speed. Or you also know that distance is equals to speed into time. So speed into time equals to distance. You want to find the formula for time, keep it as it is, move speed to the side. You know it's multiplication here, it becomes division, distance divided by speed, which gives you this formula. Got it? Am I clear?
Yes. Ma'am, so for C, we will divide B divided by A.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah. So I'm writing the sum over here. I told the sum is just copy it wrong. So what is the formula for time now?
Ma'am, distance divided by speed.
So what is distance?
100 kilometers.
What is the speed?
50 kilometers per hour.
Okay. Now you're going to divide. You know that. Now let's take 100. 100 is divisible by 2. 52 is divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10. You'll bring a 0 here. 2s are 4. 2 6 are 12. Now again this is divisible by 2. 2 25s are 50. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. Now 25 and 13. You cannot divide. It's not divisible by any common number. Is it divisible by any common number? Is 25 and 13 divisible by any common number?
No, ma'am.
So you're going to do the normal division. 13 ones are 13. 13, 9s are 27, 9s are 9, 9, 10, 11, 117, which is somewhat close. So you can bring 9s are 117. So 1.9. What will the value be? What will the unit be?
1.9.
1.9 what?
1 kmph.
kmph. Are they timed? What will the value of time be? You will tell I traveled this much time. You will say kmph. What do you say for time value? I travel for these many minutes, travel for these many seconds, travel for these many hours. What unit are you going to use here?
Hours.
Why hours?
Mom, why? Because in 1 hour, the man is traveling 52 kilometers.
Why can't this be seconds or minutes? Why hours?
Ma'am, because there is no conversion given in the question as we should do like that.
Because the speed given is in hour, kilometer per hour. If I'm giving your kilometer per minute, then you should find in minutes. I'm given kilometer per hour. That's what the unit is hour. Got it? Note it down. Any doubts, please ask. அதனாலதான் மாறணும் வேண்டியது நான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அங்கதானே இங்க வைக்க மேல இல்ல ஆமா தாங்க முடியல வெயில் எங்களுக்கு பில்டிங் வச்சுக்கிட்டா பெருசு
பெருசானா அது வந்து உங்களுக்கு நல்ல இதா இருந்தது நம்ம ஹால் நல்ல பெருசா
ஹால்
நல்ல லுக்கா இருந்தது
ஹால் பெருசு இந்த வீடு பெருசு
இதோட அந்த ஹால் பெருசு இது ரூம் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா இருக்குது இது வந்து அங்கங்க விட்டா அழகா ஒரே நேரம் ஒரே ஷேப்பா இது பண்ணியிருந்தா நம்ம நல்லா இருந்துருக்குமா அழகா இருக்குது வீடு சூப்பரா இருக்கு ஒரே லைனா இருக்கு
கொஞ்சம் இடம் கிடைச்சிருக்கும்
இடம் கிடைச்சிருக்கோம்
And this is written done. Mom, can you wait? Mom, this is Arpita and done. Mom, I'm done. I show you. Mom, I'm done.
Irma. All of you are done? Anybody left?
Can you give one?
Yeah, sure. Please be quick.
ஓ ஆமா ஆமா வேற விஜய் ஆமா அவர் வந்து இப்ப தானே மாஸ்டர் ஆனாரு நம்ம ரெண்டு பேரும் டீச்சர் அவர் விஜய் சொன்னா அவன் நல்லா இருக்கும் விஜய் பானுடா இருக்கும் விஜய் நல்லா இருக்கு பாரு நினைச்ச மாப்பிள்ளை கேட்கறாங்க
I'll write down the homework also. Please note it down. All right, it's somewhere down. அவங்கலாம் இப்படி ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு பிள்ளைங்க. சைஃப் ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கா, நான் ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கேன். அந்த மெச்சூரிட்டி இல்ல, அந்த மெச்சூரிட்டி இல்ல. இப்ப எஜுகேஷனுக்கு இதுவா இருக்கணும்.
இஸ்லாம் சட்டப்படி அந்த வயசுல பண்ணிருக்கோம் தெரியுமா? அந்த வயசுல பண்ணுங்க. எதுக்கு சொல்றாங்க? பழமொழி சொல்றாங்க. பழமொழி என்ன கட்டிய
The question is this much only.
Wait, I'll write. I'm just framing it. Note down the homework. Once you're done, you can leave the class. If there's any doubt, please ask me.
After how, what is it?
Sarah reaches home from school in 45 minutes in a speed of 7 km per hour. How far is her home from school?
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. And students, I will not be correcting your homework if you're sending beyond class time. I don't want reasons like I forgot and all that. Please make sure you're sending it regularly. I don't know why this has become a very habit for your class.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Hello.
Hello, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
Fine, fine. No one joined?
No. They just left. Class just got over.
Okay, no problem. Did Adya join?
Yeah. She joined, ma'am. Her mic is working now. She's very good in her
Okay,
class.
thank you. Thank you so much. Just to
Yep.
know Adya have joined. Yeah.
Yeah. She's good, ma'am. No need to worry.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, bye.
Bye bye.